Hi there, this video is about the Aqara Panel Hub S1 Plus. It is a panel which you can connect to your lights. You can connect up to 2 lights. This can be done by this part, where you have 2 wires and you also need a neutral. But you can also disconnect this part from the device. As you can see, you can do this by loosening these 2 screws, and then you can take off this part if you want to use it over USB-C. A USB-C port is available in the middle on the bottom of the device, and as we see, it's already starting up. We have 4 microphones on top to talk to visitors via your Aqara doorbell, for example. And on the device you see several dashboards. These dashboards you can set up yourself, like a dashboard for your living room, your kitchen, or a more general dashboard for monitoring your cameras, door locks, etc. If we look into this dashboard, we see here the weather, the temperature outside, and the humidity. Here we see one of the interesting features of this device. It can show you the feed of the Aqara G4 video doorbell. Here you see the feed. It's a live feed which we can enlarge, and we can also activate the mode to talk to the visitor. Trying to exit, yes. Here you see the other camera I have connected in the Aqara app. And the interesting part about that camera is that you can also pan and tilt the device by swiping over the screen. This is the Aqara E1 camera. Here you see my door lock. It is a Aqara U200 door lock, which is connected to the Aqara M3 hub over thread, and we can just press a button to lock the device. Next you see 2 light switches. These are 2 Philips Hue smart lights which I connected over Matter to the Aqara hub. Unfortunately, currently you can't group these lights yet, so I have to do this separately. And here you see a temperature and humidity sensor. Which is also over Matter brought to the Aqara app from a switchbot hub, I think. If you swipe up, you can go to the next dashboard. Here we see the dashboard for my living room. And in this dashboard I also have several lights, also a temperature and humidity sensor, and we can turn on and off the ventilation. And here I also have a switch to turn on my robot vacuum, a SwitchBot S10. If we go to the next one, the bedroom, here we have just 3 lights. The light card you can adjust in size, and if you do the larger cards, then you can also use that to change the brightness of the light. Here you see the time, and I think here we have the hallway. Here you can also see the door lock and the video doorbell, the lights, and here I have another one. This one is not, I think this is the kitchen, I haven't named it yet. And here you see a temperature of a fridge. It's just a sensor I've put in the fridge. And you can also do a sort of slideshow of your photos, but I wasn't able to add photos via the Aqara app as it showed me a white screen currently. If you go here, you can go to the settings, you can change the brightness of the screen, the volume, and the sound. And you can go to settings, you see your network, change some basic settings. Here you can say if you want to automatically change the brightness, and maybe more important, you can wake the device when you're nearby, and you can change how sensitive that should be. You can change some themes, wallpapers, you have a sleeping mode. Here you see if there's a latest update is already installed. Some other settings, here you can also connect to Matter, which allows you to add 6 different wireless switches to the device, which you can connect on the screen, which you can use on the screen to control a HomeKit or Google Home device. So that's a quick look into the Aqara Panel Hub S1 Plus. Thank you for watching.